When you lose a job, it takes a bit of courage and strength to help someone else learn on how they can earn some money. But you yourself, you could use the same help. But you still do it anyway because at the end of the day, at least someone else is benefiting somewhere. At least someone else is learning a new way that how they can help themselves financially. Hi bestie, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's been a year now since I started on this journey and you guys have been my biggest supporters. You have encouraged me through sharing my videos, liking my videos, leaving me awesome and encouraging comments and letting me know that whatever I have been doing for the last 1 year has been of benefit to someone out there that I don't know, that doesn't know me, and we only meet on this platform through these videos. When I started sharing about jobs and teaching you guys on ways that you can earn some money, I had just come from a contract that I just ended, and I was also looking for ways that I can earn some money. And I thought to myself, there are other people out there who are also looking for ways that they can diversify their finances or how can they earn some more. And I thought the best way to do that is to share some of the ways that I have been able to do that. Well, I also look for other ways that I can earn some money and still continue teaching you guys. And it has been a success for me because throughout this journey, throughout this year, I've been able to get some comment from some of you telling me that they were able to benefit from my videos. They've been able to earn some money from some of the ways that I've been sharing here. I've gotten some feedback on Wowzy. I've gotten some big feedback on Nivo. I've gotten some feedback on Upwork. Someone told me that they were almost giving up on Upwork, but my video helped them feel encouraged and also to continue trying. Now, that's a success for me, knowing that someone out there benefited from the information that I gave them and they were able to earn some money. Now, throughout this journey, I was also like juggling between school and also YouTube, which is a bit tough because all of them, they are full-time, because on YouTube you still have to do your research, always learn about the platform and all that. This school is also demanding, but I was able to do my best throughout this year, and I'm happy where we've been able to get. Some of the lessons that I'm taking home at the end of this year, having spent the whole year looking for some sort of a permanent job, which I was not able to do, and I'm not feeling bad about that. I came to understand that God gives you what you need, it's not what you want. When I started looking for jobs again after my contract ended, it felt like I needed it. I needed it to survive. I didn't know how to support myself. School demands a lot in terms of money and all that. I also need to support myself, but God reminded me that I needed to focus on one thing at a time, and that was school for me, because the course that I'm doing is a bit demanding, and juggling a lot of things together could have led to me losing on it. And I thank God because He was able to provide for me throughout this year. And again, as I was still, putting out content for you guys and just letting you in on some of the ways that I was discovering, some which helped me, some which did not, but I'm hoping that it did for you. I can count my 1 year journey on YouTube as a good experience for myself, because I did not think that I was just hoping. It was not an assurance that at the end of the year, at the end of my first day on YouTube, that I'll be monetized, and you guys made that happen for me. Thank you so much. It has been a learning moment for me where I've taught myself a lot of things, like making videos, how to edit them, how to connect with people, how to be able to learn some pain points in people's lives and be able to respond to that, how to handle myself in terms of how to respond to people. It has been a learning journey for me, and also I can say it's been a good experience for me. I hope for you as well, bestie. And this is just the beginning. This is not the end of it. So I decided to make this video to just let you guys in on what has been happening on my end, how this journey has been for me. I know most of you followed me because I was teaching you some of the ways that you can earn some money, and some of you have been able to benefit from this. Unfortunately, some have not been able, but I hope in one way or the other, my videos got to encourage you and to keep you moving, looking for that job, looking for a way to earn some money. My experience as I started sharing during the very first days on this platform is, for every job that I've been able to work on, whether a long term or a short term, the only thing that set me apart, it's because of the skills that I had, that person, that company, that organization that needed from me. So for you besties, I know most of you want the app, to earn some money, and maybe that's because some of you don't have the skills. Remember, you have to have some skills that someone is willing to pay for you to get that job, right? When it comes to Upwork, when it comes to some of these platforms, you need to have a skill that someone needs to buy from you. It's an exchange. You give them the skill, they give you the money. And that has been my experience throughout the time that I was able to do online jobs. And my challenges during this journey has been mostly how to sort of just find a balance between school and YouTube. And also, YouTube is a changing platform all the time, and you have to still keep up with that. As much as you cannot make everyone happy or keep everyone happy, you have to find a way on how you maintain that. And it has been a good learning curve for me, really, for the last 1 year. It has encouraged me, it has taught me resilience, it has taught me some patience, and all that. So my successes has been knowing that someone out there got a job, learned how to maneuver around Upwork and all other platforms that I shared. Someone was able to earn some money. Someone felt encouraged to keep moving, to keep looking for a job. And that has been it for me. That has been my biggest highlight, knowing that the time I spent on this platform, the time I spent sitting, recording myself, and going through all this helped someone out there. That has been my biggest success. And throughout this time, I was thinking about how best can I also use this platform. And as much as I know most of you guys, again, followed me because of the jobs that I was sharing, I don't want that to be the end of us, right? Because I feel like I've been focusing so much on finding a job, right, that it feels like I started losing sight of why I started sharing these jobs. Because when I started sharing about jobs that I had just learned about, but I hadn't worked on them, I felt some sort of a disconnect, like it was not more true to me, because I really I don't have that experience. I can't really attest to the information that I'm giving you. Just because I'm telling you this platform may pay you or this app may pay you, I don't know that for sure, right? And we know we are living in an era whereby people using other people and just not paying them, or just disappearing with their money. So that has been always my worry, that I don't misguide someone too. Bestie, I'm still open to this, to providing help to you, to providing information that is helpful to you. I have some of the ways that I'm looking into to venture in terms of how do we proceed after this 1 year. What's the next step? I don't know what you guys have in mind, but again, you besties have made us get here, and I'm willing and I'm open to hear what you guys have in mind in terms of that. When it comes to sharing about jobs, because I feel like I've been so much fixated on finding jobs, and sometimes when you're not finding something, it becomes a bit frustrating. You feel like you're missing something, and sometimes you just need to zoom out a bit and just maybe focus on something else, and things will just flow, right? I know you guys maybe have the same experience, and I feel like I need to just pump some brakes on the whole job search and maybe focus on something else, and then maybe I'll have even some sort of energy and some fun doing content without feeling a bit of frustrations here and there. If you find my videos, just listen through. I'm sure you'll find something that is helpful to you, and from here we just move forward and make things better. There is no going back. We have come this far. Life is a journey, it's not a destination, and we get to move along this journey together. with the ups and downs, just pivoting throughout this journey. And I'm hoping that you guys will just come along with me and continue supporting me, because you've made it happen this far. So thank you so much, besties. I thank God that I've been able to impact someone's life, and I pray that I'll be able to continue doing that through my videos, through this platform. And I invite you to continue on this journey with me. I did not intend for this video to be this long, so I'll end it here. So I'll catch you up on my next video. Bye.